Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the THesis Hotel in Coral Gables, Miami, Florida, and we're going to take a full, complete, and comprehensive tour of the hotel to help you understand exactly what you can expect if you ever decide to come here. It's a great hotel. There's some things I really enjoyed. There are other things I think you should know. We just walked into the hotel, and what you're looking at is the entryway. It's not very big. If you're looking for something really grand, you're going to be disappointed. However, I think the decor style is fantastic. That's the main desk right there. You can see it doesn't have many spots to check in. However, while I was down here, it was never really full. I never saw a long line. I'm sure that it exists from time to time, but it's really well done. They made excellent use of the space. Let's take a walk through the lobby and head out to the courtyard to see what that has to offer. And what you're looking at right here is a real plant. It's not fake, and there's a lot of real plants here. I think that's a really nice touch of this hotel. You're going to see a lot of nice green space. This is the outside courtyard, which is one of the signature locations for this hotel. This area takes on a completely different feel at nighttime. They'll have lights and it'll have a real nice ambiance. They'll have tables out here, and we'll show you what that looks like a little bit later on in the night. This, I think, is a very nice outdoor space. You can see this is in the early morning hours. This is in the pool area. As you can see, they have a lot of relax area. When I was there, this area was never full. It does get a little full at nighttime, but it was never packed considering the capacity of this hotel. It has a wonderful overlook and just has a really nice, comfortable feel to it. We're walking up a ramp to head to the pool area. As you can see, it's not a very large pool, so you're not gonna get a lot of laps and things like that here. When I was here, it was never full. There were people that were lounging and just really enjoying and taking in the scenery, but this area, I was here for an entire week, was never super crowded. So if if you wanna have a nice secluded type pool experience, then this is probably gonna be the nice thing for you. It has a sort of infinity pool type look where the water goes all the way to the very edge. It's not very deep at all, and there were not a lot of kids when I was here, so it's a really nice pool area. And as you can see, it has a pretty nice view of a lot of green space that surrounds portions of the hotel. One of the things I thought was sort of interesting about this space is, and just in the hotel in general, it makes use of a lot of bulbs, like the Christmas decoration type light bulbs. You can see this right here as you look into the courtyard, sort of what it looks like in the twilight of the evening. But it's really nice. It's kind of distinctive. You can see some of the advertisement of the hotel. That tennis court right there is not part of the hotel, but it's right next to the hotel. So you can go there, play tennis, and there's a park there. So if you have kids, then this is going to be a good win for you. This is the bar area. The bar area is really nice. Again, not very full, even in the middle of the evening. So I think that was a really nice touch in that you're not feeling like you're crowded. This is one of the restaurants. Again, this hotel is superbly decorated. When you are there, you really feel like you're in a posh luxury resort. That's one of the things I really enjoy. The food here is good. It's a bit expensive, but it's not unreasonable considering your location and the type of hotel you're in. This is the one of the restaurants at nighttime. It has a nice night glow. I made that word up, a glow to it. But it's really nice, secluded. It's great to take a date or just to have a nice meal. And the bar area, the bartenders were really nice. I thought the service here at the restaurant was pretty exceptional. We are back out at the courtyard area, and this you know, you can see the at night, it does have a big different feel to it. You see the University of Miami logo there, and that's because right across the street is the University of Miami, literally within walking distance. So if you're a Miami Hurricane fan, you're gonna love this hotel, especially if you want to come to a game. It's literally, you can walk across the street and enter the university. In this shot, what I want to show you is just that there's a lot of nice space. Again, a real orchid flower. This is the gym. It's not a huge gym, but it gets the job done. Nicely decorated. I like the colors on the wall. As you can see, it has both cardio, free weights, and the exercise apparatus. But it's not a huge gym. Kind of small for the location, for the size of the hotel. But it gets the job done. I was here for several times. I work out pretty early in the morning, and it was never an issue with the gym being too crowded. So I think it looks small, but again, it was never crowded when I was there. So I think it works. What you're seeing right now is me taking the elevator upstairs. I'm going to take a tour of the room. Now, I said there were some negatives, and we'll get to that in a minute, but the hotel does have an entertainment space. So if you want to do a wedding or a big ball or something like that, you're going to be in, you know, it has accommodations for that. And as you can see, it has really nice lounge areas all throughout the hotel, from the lobby all the way throughout the entire hotel. It has really nice decorative style, a lot of different furniture arrangements and style decor, but it all matches and coordinates extremely well. So if you're having this is the ballroom, what it looks like. If you're having an event here, it really is gives you a sense of, you know, luxury and just, you know, really relaxation. So I don't think you're going to be surprised or disappointed, I should say, on that end. Okay, so here we are in the bedroom. We're going to take a look at the room of this hotel. If you want a more comprehensive look, then you should check out my channel, because I do a video just on the room all by itself. So check that out if you want more information. Now, as you look at this hotel bathroom, you can see it's really posh. It looks really nice. Storage space down there at the bottom of the sink for towels. And the bathtub, bathroom, you know, shower area looks really nice. It kind of matches the decor of the hotel. So you're gonna be, you're gonna feel good here. I like the fact that it has these dispensers, so you don't have these little bottles of things. And I'm not sure what brand this is, but it was really good. It smelled really good, and it got too clean. So I thought that was one of the things that was good. Now, the part of the room that I really didn't like, if you look around, it looks very nice, but there's no storage. There's no drawers anywhere in this bedroom. What does that mean? That means I was living out of my suitcase while I was in this bedroom. If you like coffee, there's a coffee maker there for you. But if you like to maybe say put your clothes away in a drawer, you're gonna be out of luck. What we did was we had to lay our clothes out on portions of the floor right there in front of that window. Didn't like that part of it at all. So that's something that you have to look at. Now, when I looked at the website, when you saw photographs of the room, there were actually, you know, a dresser drawer. However, when we got the room, and we got two rooms, because the first room we got, there was something wrong with it, and then we got this room, and both rooms had no dresser drawers, and that for me was a big no-no. It had adequate lighting. The bed was comfortable. I like the fact that it was very modern. I just can't get over the fact that it had no dresser drawers. I hate living out of my suitcase. And it had a fair amount of USB ports, a good number of you know, electrical outlets. So no problems there. You can see the electrical outlets on the phone here, and then we had some additional plugs on the lamp. I would say that overall, I really like the hotel. I like the convenience. I like the fact that it was close to the university. I like the fact that there were a few things to do in and around the hotel. They had electric bikes, so I took that and went with it for a couple hours. It had nice views from the hotel room. The room itself looked very nice. The hotel, the decor style, you're not gonna be disappointed. You know, it looks very, very, very nice. So overall, it was great. This is, again, the worst part about staying in the hotel. It looks very nice right now, but when you're constantly living out of this for an entire week, that's not what I want. I guess I'm big on putting my stuff inside of individual drawers and organizing my space and my electronic gear and all that kind of stuff. I didn't like living out of my suitcase. But outside of that, and this is my wife's suitcase. My suitcase was on the floor. But outside of that, again, had a nice time at the hotel. This is the view of what you see from one of the hotel's rooms. It has a nice water view, and then it has a cityscape view, and you're not going to be disappointed with the views from this hotel. Overall, the hotel was great except for that one thing I mentioned. The price was good, the service was excellent, the decor was fantastic. You're not going to be disappointed. I give this hotel, I would say, 8 out of 10.